Looking for the best juicer to kickstart your healthy habits this year? Whether you love green juice, citrus blends, or quick smoothies, we've got you covered. The juicer market is packed with options. Centrifugal, masticating, cold press, slow juicers, making it tough to choose. We've tested the top 5 juicers of 2025, focusing on performance, ease of use, cleaning, and overall value. By the end, you'll know exactly which juicer fits your kitchen and lifestyle. Let's dive in. Here are the top 5 juicers of 2025. First up, the NutriBullet Juicer Pro, our top pick for most people. This centrifugal juicer nails the balance between price and performance. With a powerful 1000-watt motor and a wide 3-inch feed chute, it handles whole apples, carrots, and celery with ease, minimal prep required. 2 speed settings let you juice both soft and hard produce efficiently. The included pitcher has a froth separator and a sealing lid, so your juice stays fresh longer. Cleanup is a breeze, all removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the included brush makes the sieve easy to clean. Juice quality is excellent for a centrifugal model, smooth, vibrant, and with dry pulp for high yield. Compact and modern, it fits most kitchens without hogging counter space. If you want fast, convenient juicing without breaking the bank, this is the one to get. It's perfect for busy mornings juice and cleanup in under 5 minutes. For most users, the speed and value far outweigh the minor nutrient loss compared to slow juicers. The NutriBullet Juicer Pro is a smart, practical choice for daily juicing. It's our best overall pick for 2025. Next, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold, plus a step up for those who want more power and batch juicing. With a robust 1,200-watt motor and a massive 3.5-inch feed chute, it devours whole fruits and veggies with minimal prep. Breville's cold spin technology keeps juice cool, preserving nutrients better than typical centrifugal juicers. The 70-ounce jug lets you make big batches to store for days, perfect for families or meal preppers. Build quality is top-notch stainless steel, sturdy parts, and thoughtful design touches like a drip-stop nozzle. 2 speed settings optimize yield for different produce, and the huge pulp bin means less emptying. All parts are dishwasher safe, and cleaning is straightforward for a machine this size. Juice quality is excellent, fresh, vibrant, and high yield, especially with leafy greens. It's bigger and pricier than entry-level models, so you'll need counter space and a bigger budget. But if you want pro-level performance and batch convenience, the Breville delivers. It's ideal for serious juicers and families who want speed without sacrificing quality. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is a premium, high-volume juicer built to last. If you're ready to invest in your juicing routine, this is a fantastic choice. It's a true kitchen powerhouse. Now for something different, the Hurom H400 Easy Clean Slow Juicer. This vertical masticating juicer is all about nutrient-rich juice and easy cleanup. Its slow 90 revolutions per minute auger gently squeezes produce, preserving enzymes and flavor for a richer, longer-lasting juice. The H400's standout feature is its easy clean design. No fine mesh screens, just a few large parts you rinse under the tap. The self-feeding hopper lets you load up chopped produce and walk away while it quietly juices. Juice quality is outstanding. Thick, vibrant, and especially great for leafy greens. It's quiet and compact and looks stunning on any countertop. The trade-off? It's slower and requires more prep than centrifugal models, but if you want the best juice quality and a peaceful kitchen, it's worth it. Ideal for health enthusiasts who prioritize nutrition and easy maintenance. The Hurom H400 makes slow juicing less of a chore and more of a daily ritual. It's a premium investment for those who want top-tier juice and hassle-free cleaning. The future of slow juicing is here. The Nama J2 cold press juicer takes hands-free, batch juicing to the next level. Its massive top-loading hopper lets you load whole or large chunks of produce, close the lid, and let the machine do the rest. The internal blade chops and feeds ingredients into the slow-turning auger, no babysitting required. Juice quality is exceptional high yield, minimal oxidation, and bone-dry pulp. It's perfect for making large batches of cold-pressed juice with minimal effort. Cleaning is easy for a slow juicer, though not quite as simple as the Hurom's mesh-free system. The Nama J2 is built for serious juicers who want to prep several days' worth of juice at once. It's a time saver for busy lifestyles and a game changer for meal preppers. The premium price reflects its innovation and efficiency. If you want effortless, high-volume juicing, the Nama J2 is the ultimate choice. It's designed for those committed to daily juicing and long-term health. Batch juicing has never been easier. Rounding out our list is the Omega VSSJ 843QS Vertical Slow Juicer, a value-packed, premium slow juicer. Operating at just 43 revolutions per minute, it delivers maximum nutrient extraction and ultra-high juice yield. The compact vertical design saves counter space, and Omega's legendary build quality means it's built to last. The dual-edge auger and automatic pulp ejection make juicing efficient and continuous. Juice quality rivals the best. Smooth, foam-free, and especially great with leafy greens and tough veggies. Cleanup is more traditional with a fine mesh strainer that takes a bit more effort than newer models. The trade-off? You get elite performance and durability at a lower price than the latest high-end slow juicers. Omega's 15-year warranty is unmatched, making this a long-term investment. It's perfect for those who want top-tier juice and reliability without paying for the newest features. Also versatile for nut milks, baby food, and more. The Omega VSSJ 843QS is a no-nonsense high-performance juicer for the serious health enthusiast. If you want value, durability, and great juice, this is your pick. There you have it, the top 5 juicers of 2025, each with unique strengths. Whether you want speed, batch efficiency, nutrient-rich juice, or unbeatable value, there's a perfect juicer for you. Think about your juicing habits, kitchen space, and how much time you want to spend on prep and cleanup. The best juicer is the one you'll use every day. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which juicer you're eyeing. Check the link below for exclusive deals. See you in the next one.